Hi guys, it's me, I'm the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Today we're gonna make some little crackers out of avocado and Parmesan cheese. These are really easy to make and they're great, you know, to have a little crispy little snack. I love putting a little cream cheese and tomato on these with a little salt and pepper. Oof, perfect. Before we do anything, if you would sub, I'd really appreciate it. Turn on that notification button so you don't miss out on anything. Let's make these. This recipe is great for using overripe avocados, you know, the ones that are a little over, but not quite ready to be thrown away. So I'm gonna scoop out the parts that are not super dark here. All right, so now we're gonna mash it. This was a large avocado, guys. Make sure you use a large one, okay? We're gonna use finely grated Parmesan cheese for this. 3/4 cups. Let's put about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder in here. Some salt, pepper. I'm gonna put a half a teaspoon of oregano in here, and let's say a teaspoon of lime juice. We mix it all. You know, you can put a little bit of ground chili pepper in here as well if you wanted. Let's taste it. Perfect. I'm gonna use a little cookie scoop for this. You can use a spoon. I'll put the rest in another pan. So I'm gonna spray the bottom of this little measuring cup. And I'm gonna press down on those little balls. These are gonna go into an oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 162 Celsius, for about 30 minutes, and I'll see you, okay? I took these out at 25 minutes, guys, because they're nicely browned and I didn't want them to burn on me. So every oven is different. You check yours at 25 and decide, okay? These are still soft and they will harden as they cool down. I'm gonna transfer them to a cooling rack and then we will taste them, okay? So here's our little crackers, guys. They're nice and cool and they are just great. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you make these. I think you're gonna like them. I'll see you soon.